Hi, I'm Dr. Swati Pandey. I'm coming from Hyderabad. We met Mr. Aslam Sheikh and his Alif team at Hyderabad during one of the Franchise India fair. I've never been a business owner or businesswoman in my life, but what I felt connected when it comes to study abroad and Alif team was I myself wanted to go abroad and pursue my medical degree, but unfortunately due to unawareness about the courses outside, not much of a guidance, no mentorship, I had to settle down and do my BDS, which is dentistry degree, here in India. However, if I could have found Alif at that point, I know I could have done MBBS in almost the same fee package outside somewhere India, and I could have been somewhere better in the industry. What I could not do for myself, I aspire to do it for the students these days. What I could not do for myself, I would love to be a mentor and make sure that somebody else, some student out there can do and can achieve. During these 5 days of our training that we are here in Mumbai and getting trained by Mr. Aslam Sheikh himself, what I felt was this training was so thorough and so in-depth. We could learn about finances, about marketing, about MBA, about personality development, even about your psychology and how to get leads, convert leads, what's the counseling that goes behind everything in so much of depth that I have not seen any business owner doing it for their franchise owners. The one most amazing thing that we actually got to know was BNI, something that is not advertised, not marketed, and people out there are not really aware about it. But when we were there at BNI conference this time with Mr. Aslam Sheikh, we got to meet so many entrepreneurs, get to know how we can work via referrals, we can provide referrals, we can get so many referrals, even not just that, their mindset of how they work in their business, in their profile, and we got to learn so much about them. That is something I don't think I would have got in contact with if I did not know Mr. Aslam Sheikh.